Hi guys, we have a fun washi tape DIY. We are going to make these cute little garden labels. All you're going to need for this craft project is some sticker paper, an Exacto knife and cutting mat, these cute little garden markers, and of course, some really cute washi tape. Now, when I say an easy DIY, this one is a very easy DIY. So you're simply going to start with your cutting mat, and I purchased these pre-made garden markers, and I am simply going to cover each one of them with a different washi tape that coordinate together for my garden. Now you're simply just going to take your washi tape, and I'm going to put it into 2 layers. You definitely want a little bit of an overhang on your garden marker because we're going to use that to get a really straight line with our Exacto knife. And if your washi tape has a repeat, you can sort of layer it and match it up. Don't worry about that because we will be cutting around all 4 edges. So you're simply going to take this up, we're going to flip it upside down, and this garden marker has a nice tall edge, so I'm pressing against it and it makes for an easy clean cut. But always be careful when using the Exacto knife, of course. But you should be able to get a very clean cut when it comes to washi tape. Simply going to cut along the line, flip it back over, peel off this excess, and look how perfect it looks. And then of course, I like to go in and I like to cut at the bottom and make an even line on all of my garden markers because that part goes down into the soil and it just creates a nice clean edge there. Now I have already pre-printed my little labels here, but I just ran those through my printer and used a regular Word document to create it. And this one says strawberries. Look how cute these little garden markers are, you guys. And here they are in my cutie little garden. I've got my strawberries labeled. I have the tomato plant and my Persian cucumbers. I also had kale, but it didn't photograph very well because the sun doesn't always work with you when you're taking photos of your garden. Also, don't forget to get creative, guys. You could also use these to stick inside of a potted plant and write a gift message on there for the recipient, or use these to stick into your potted plants in your house with your watering schedule in case someone is coming to water when you're out of town, or just to remind yourself as well. If you found this DIY fun and helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you try it, be sure to tag us on social media using #BBB Supplies. We love to see what you create. And we'll see you next time for another washi tape DIY.